Hello student, I am Dr. Bharat Gadak, Assistant Professor, Department of Geography, KRTR, BH Commerce and AM Science, popularly known as KTHM College. Student friends, I warmly welcome you to today's class. We are talking about GGDT 114 Principle of Population and Settlement Geography. The paper number is 4 and topic number is 5 and topic name is fertility and mortality. Now, today will be discussed for the today topic name is concept of mortality and morbidity. Now, this is topic will be covered from the last lecture will be discussed from the baby boom. This is the this is a very important point to be considered from last lecture. Now, this lecture will be point of mortality. What is the difference between the mortality and morbidity will be considered here. Mortality brings about the balance of population in the region, change of the composition of population of a region, influenced by birth rate, death rate, and migration. Level of mortality is taken as an indicator, measure the overall health of the people and standard of living in the people. Now, these are the some methods for using methods for use to measure for level of mortality, right? Crude birth rate, then age specific mortality rates, and then infant mortality rate, sex and mortality. Now these are the age and mortality. These are the some interrelated infant mortality rate. What is the infant mortality rate? Then mortality levels and trends. These are the some concept will be discussion from the various mortality and mortality means. Now these are the some point of view. Now today we'll discuss point of concept mortality and morbidity. Now student, this is the topic number 5. Topic name is fertility and mortality. Now the concept of fertility, fecundity, sterility and coherent crude birth rate, total fertility, concept of baby boom, concept of mortality and morbidity, and now second next point is death rate and its measure. And last one is level and trends of mortality. Now discuss is mortality. First of all, the mortality means and some factor influencing the mortality will be discussed one by one. Now here mortality show the number of details in particular population, which is a very important here. The mortality shows the number of deaths in particular population. Mortality shows the number of death in particular populations. Now here it is expressed the number of death per 1000 of 100 people in per year. Morbidity refer to state being the unhealthy. Being unhealthy. These are the two very different between the two concept. Very simple. Mortality shows the number of deaths in the particular population, in particular death in per thousand, per hundred, per thousand. Now morbidity refer to the state of being unhealthy. It is called as a basic difference. It is applied to all the people affected by the disease in particular regions. The morbidity rates refer to the number of people affected to particular disease. It is now mortality is defined as the demographic event of the death. Since the death is a biological phenomena that occurs just once to each individual. Now the analysis of it is simple than say the study of fertility where in the event of birth can occur with varying frequency among the women. This is called as a mortality. Now this one is mortality is one of the three component mortality one of the three component for population change. Two, the other two being the fertility and migrations. Now historical, the factor of mortality has play and dominant role in determining the growth of population, the size within fluctuations in the past, mainly in the response to the variation in mortality. Now the increase in the population of European countries following the Industrial Revolution in the 17th century was mainly due to the decline in the death rate. Now here the developing countries which are undergoing to the typical demographic transition have also been affected initially by the fall in the death rates. Now here in fact the single most important contribution of demography has been the revolution of the fact that sharp decline in mortality rates rather than any rise in the fertility rates have been responsible for being about the rapid growth of populations. Now, the study of mortality is useful for analyzing current demographic condition as well as so far the determining the prospect and potential change in mortality condition of the future. This is the some one. Now, these are the some public health administration depends heavily in the study of mortality for the statistics on depends on population cross classified by age, sex in the causes for death and great value of the formulation, implementation and evaluation of public health programmers. Now here now statistic of death also a form of the basis of the policies and insurance companies. Now if it is of course Possible is study the mortality as several angles. Various biological, social, economical, cultural factors affect the health of any individual and consequently mortality rates in the society. Now, these factors is affecting mortality can be classified as heredity, constitutions, and environment. When mortality is viewed from the demographic point of view, it is a study that determines the change in the population size and structure rather than from the medical angles. Now, the demographic study of mortality therefore does not usually take into the consideration of genetic factors. Now, the remaining two factors, namely the constitutional and environmental factors, on the other hand, provide the basis of demographic analysis and mortality. The various constitutional factors include the physiological, anatomical, psychological characteristics. Main study of mortality are age and sex. Now, the environmental factors affecting mortality include the natural physical surrounding of individual as well as her social and economic environment, and the most important for the demographic personal habitat. Now, these are the first point is mortalities factor influencing the mortality, marital status and mortality. Mortality is the very low among the married people. This is because of the postability and getting the married and is high among those who are physically fit. Besides, the mortality among the married person is low due to the satisfaction is married life and a protected life of the married person lives. As against this proportion of physical fit persons among the unmarried is relatively low. Besides, the unmarried person live carefree life. Mortality among the unmarried person therefore the relatively high. Mortality among the married women is low due to satisfaction gained due to the childbirth. Nature of occupation and mortality. Some other mortality is closely linked to the structure of occupation and nature of place of mark. Similarly, mortality also related to nature, occupation, socio-economic status of standard of living. Different risks are involved in different occupation. The proportion of these dying due to the heart disease is high among the white collar workers. Similarly, proportion of those died due to the tuberculosis is high among those working in mines and textile units. Proportion of these died due to the accident is high among workers transportation. Now, urbanization and mortality. Initially, it is difficult to keep city clean due to the lack of technical development. Death rate, therefore, was high among the city dwellers. For the example, now 1841 expectancy of life males in London city is only 35 years, whereas expectancy life of male is the rest of England is 40 years. With the improvement of water supply, drainage disposal, medical facility become cleaner. Death rates therefore declining and the expectancy life among the city dwellers increase. For example, 1952 expectancy life of males in London city 67 years. Now, these are the somewhere while expectancy of life male is of England in around 70 and 65 years. In India, 16 mortality rate is 30 per 40,000 while the urban mortality rate is less than around 7 per thousand. Education and mortality. Education has inverse relationship with mortality. Educated people have the better social and economic status. That is why mortality among them generally lower. For example, a study is Mumbai city show that this is a close relation between the education of a mother and infant mortality rate. Infant mortality rate is the highest among the illiterate mothers. The against infant mortality rate was very low among children born to mothers who are educated up to the matriculations and above. Now, these are the some concept. You are the mortality means these are the some factors influencing the mortality. Now, the study of mortality deal with the effects of the death of populations. Through the meaning of the terms lives and death is an obvious scientific study of the demographic process. It is called as for formal definitions. Now, United Nations of World Health Organization have defined death as followed. Death is a permanent disappearance of all evidence of life at any time or after birth has taken place. First, naturalization vital functions without any capacity of restriction. Now, this is death can occur only after the live birth and the span between the birth rate it is called as a mortality. Now, here is the above definition is death. Death does not include any death prior to the live birth, which has been defined by the United Nations as follows. Live birth is complete explosion and extraction from its mother of a product by the consumption irrespective of the duration of pregnancy, which after such a separation breaths or show any other evidence of life such as breathing of heart, pulsations and umbilical cord or definite movement of voluntary muscles. Whether or not to be umbilical cord has been cut off the placenta it attached. Each product of such birth is considered live birth. It is that therefore the evidence that is that any death prior to be live birth is not considered as the death. It is abortion and stillbirth is referred to not to as DT but is referred to death. Now, add explosion is the this is the spontaneous and introduced, which is occur before introduced become the viable, that is are capable and independent existence outside his mother is known as abortions. Now, when the birth does not have any characteristic including the either of those two definition to live birth and abortions is known as stillbirth. Now, is morbidity. Now, next concept is morbidity. Morbidity is essential to concept health science to totem of epidemiology and particularly. Now, it is the universal concept of becoming understandable by the operational definition. Morbidity is the occurrence of the disease. Now, it is the process of measurement of theoretical concept of become observable. The rate measurement occurrence is empirical and theoretical. The empirical measurement and disease occurrence on two types, namely incidence measures and prevalence measures, corresponding to and two ways in which the health of person may be considered. The first observe the number of health related event or incident that is person of experience. The second evaluate the person's state of health at the specific point period in time, that is what extent of prevalence. The incidence of measure are two types, incidence proportion and incidence of densities. Now, the proportion of types and incidence rate and quantify the occurrence of an event is association with the series of person movements, finite in number, enumerate as the denominator input for the rate of the consisting in the referent. The incidence density has quantified occurrence in finite amount of population time occur as the population move over time and comparison an infinite number of person movement and population time being the sum of the members individual fragmented and person time to follow up. Give a population time refer of the empirical rate, the frequency can be only concerned with the occurrence of an event and not with the state in it. The second input of the rate being the number of cases of an event occurring with the population times. The incidence density rate, while having those quantities of input, is expressed through the articulations of the unit number of those in 10 cases of in turn 100 person year expressed 0.1 unit of 10 units. Now, the case of referent inputs into density of type incidence rate do not constitute numerator and denominator inputs. The ratio of compound fraction amount of the denominator referent of input. When the state in this issue, the referent and inherently serious, the person moment or the rate of express, the frequency with which the state was associated with those person moment and prevailing at those person specific moments. Now, it is a prevalence rate in the differential sense. The empirical rate may be overall or the specific rate, and overall rates may be the crude and standardized. The overall rates are interested and are substitutes for the respective sets of specific rates on two accounts and simplicity and application. The theoretical rate has been referent to our domain and abstract defined category. The theoretical rate of proportion types of represent and probability that is non-selected instance from the domain of the rate is associated with the state of event those frequency in that domain that rate is expressed, while the corresponding empirical rate provide the estimated of these probability. Now, when the theoretical incidence proportion concern the occurrence in undesirable event in the it represent the risk of that is unselected individual in the domain of the state. Student will be discussed from the concept of mortality and morbidity. Now, student, will be any doubt, any queries, what is meant by mortality and what is meant by morbidity will be discussed in this topic. Student, any doubt, any queries, write a mail bharatgadak@kthmcollege.ec.in. Student, today we will stop here. Next lecture to be continue for next point to be. Okay, good day, bye bye.